Welcome to The Digital Cook. We hope you subscribe to our channel because we offer new cooking recipes on a regular basis. Tonight what we're going to do is we're going to cook asparagus with bacon, pine nuts, and garlic. So it's a very simple side dish or main dish, and I think you'll find the flavors to be intricate and interesting. We'll put 6 cloves of diced garlic into about a quarter of a stick of butter and get that going in the pan. Now we add our asparagus to the pan. The only other ingredients we'll need to flavor this asparagus is going to be a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. We add a little bit of olive oil, and grind on a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and asparagus will take somewhere between 6 and 8 minutes, and you can turn them as they saute in the pan. Now, as the asparagus are sauteing, in a second pan, the bacon is getting ready. So after about 6 minutes, the asparagus is just about perfect. We take our bacon and we simply put that in. We can crumble it up a little bit so we get partial pieces. Put that right on top of the asparagus. All we're really doing is mixing all the flavors at this point. And we can then take some of our pine nuts, maybe about half the pine nuts, and we will also sprinkle those into the skillet. And when everything's cooked and ready, we can just take our tongs and put the asparagus out for serving, making sure that we pick up some of the pine nuts and the bacon.